finally, we have Zawadi.
Which is Swahili for the gift.
Woo!
The gift. The gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, well, you think I'm the gift, don't you, honey? Yes. What's your name? Marlos? Well, I think that's Swahili for my new best friend.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving any minute now. We want them to feel welcome when they get here. So we're going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom and we're surrounded by animals, and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like
Animals! So, for our beastly pet rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see, I'll take the elephants.
I'll take the giraffe.
I'll take the lions.
And I'll take the warthog.
Woo!
You're gonna help me tame this warthog section, aren't you? Yes! All right, my friends, listen up. Milos here is going to demonstrate the sound that these fellow warthogs will make. Warthogs. So put your fingers by your face to be your tusks. Yep. And now make a snorty warthog sound. All right, warthogs, get up those tusks. On the count of 3, let me hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. Yes! That was the most disgusting sound I ever heard. I love it!
Here we go, lions. Now it's our turn. This is my new friend Sophia, all the way from Tennessee, and she's going to show us her best lion imitation. All right, Sophia,
Hey,
go ahead
Mila.
and get your paws up like this. You got it? Yeah, great job. Now let's hear your roar. Great job. Let's turn around and look at our
That
lion
is
friends.
it.
All right, guys, you all get the idea. Paws
Love
up,
it.
and on the count of 3, let's hear some lions. 1, 2, 3.
Roar!
A lion.
Time for the elephants. Everyone, we have Kai, Manolo, and Kaden. And this is their grandfather. Wish them a happy Father's Day, everybody.
Woo! Happy Father's Day!
Florida, and they are our leaders. All right, everyone. Arms in the air. Let's see the trunk. And now, let's hear 3 elephant calls. Kai.
Wow!
And Kaden.
Woo!
We will never forget. Very well. Let's turn around this way, everyone. Arms in the air, everybody. And on the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Ah, the mighty pachyderm.
All right, my turn. I'm next. Everyone,
Thank
these
you
are
for
my Claire
thumbs
and
up,
Jude
big
coming
lion.
all the way from Virginia, and they're going to show us how to make a giraffe sound. All right, you ready? Giraffe, go. You don't know what a giraffe sounds like, do you? Well, that's okay, neither did I. So we looked it up, and it's a low bleating sound, kind of like a sheep. All right, girls, you ready? Giraffe, go. Thank you! Everyone, let's put the giraffe next to the air and bleat! Hold your breath!
Very well there. Now that you know your animal sounds, I think we're all set. Watch us. We'll make sure you're cued and ready to go.
Hey, everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. On the count of 3, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, listen.
Oh. Oh. you, friends. Big up, welcome back. We're what with the Lion King show.
And now,
I know, right?
I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to
Same.
visit. You see, today we've come to town for a big celebration.
Slay.
And
Love
you,
it,
my
right?
friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
Oh my God, guys, look what is happening. Oh my God.
What are you doing?
What is going on?
It's supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Glad you can make it. We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll be live in the spotlight. Oh, I just can't wait to be
Look at me!
Right.
I'm in a parade!
Oh, look at that. There's a lot going on. Oh my. The elephant! Yay! There's the lion!
Trumpet triumphant.
Hey, look everyone, it's the Lion King! Welcome, Simba, you're right on time!
Uh-oh. Showtime, guys. Showtime. The elephant, right?
Simba's finest flair!
Uh-oh. Showtime, guys. Showtime. Showtime. All right. Ready?
Here I come! Big star coming through! Big hand on a mission here! It's showtime! Now I come over sides! And sing up! Let's settle down! For the last time! I want quiet!
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata! What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing craze! Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float! Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a little solo. Hakuna Matata! Ah, what's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not
Wow.
you. Oh, but they're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking buns off each other. Hors d'oeuvres. Come on, everybody. You know the
I love
words.
this show, right?
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It ain't no worry.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Hakuna Matata.
It's a motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? There they go again. the bottom of the evolutionary ladder? Let's hear it for...
Where's Pumbaa? There he is. Woo! Whoa! Trying to get me a t-shirt, right? Wow! Oh, wow! It's like they're in slow motion. Woo! Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh. Hi, man. Woo! They are so... Wow. Yes. Yes, man, I gotta. Oh my God. Hakuna Matata.
I'm gonna put on a gray skirt and do the hula. Hey, what are you monkeys doing? Why are you packing up?
Where is Simba?
Epic songs of the Sun Seas medley. Hello, get back here. We're not done yet. We got at least another 3 hours of material left.
Yes, you're at
Now,
Disney World.
Put all this stuff back and we'll get on with the... Hey, Maestro, what's with that music?
Uh-oh.
Something else
You
missing
are
the floor shot.
welcome, music.
Hey,
Yes, a Lion King show.
Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from?
Happy Father's Day. Father's Day special. Of course, God. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.
I know that your powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention! My words are a matter of pride.
Of course, Ricky.
Of your native expressions, I cannot call on yourselves, but we're talking kings and succession.
Thank you guys so much for being here.
caught unawares. So a huge chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. Here is to do.
Wow, this is amazing.
Where do we feature? Just listen.
You're great, right?
I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am given my dues. And in justice, deliciously squared.
Oh. Wow. Woo! Showtime. Oh my God. Right? Right, Kim?
So prepare for the coup of the century. Be prepared for murderous stare.
Thank you for giving the live a thumbs up. Thank you.
Tenacity spanning, the hate of denial is simply why I don't be respected, celebrated, and see the wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are big. Be prepared. Yes, our teeth and ambitions are big.
Wow. That was awesome. Woo! Yeah! Wow. And the elephant have the waterfall.
As a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat
Oh
of
my
the
God.
world can be turned
A time to stop ball.
An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you
Feel the love tonight, tonight. Right?
sleeping brings a world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. Can you feel the love tonight? You needn't look too far, stealing through the night's uncertainties. Love
Hi,
is
Sophie.
where we
Wow. I did. That's the first thing I did. The Avatar ride. Aww. Thank you for thumbsing up the live. Right? That's amazing.
World in perfect harmony with all its living things. That, my friends, is a time for joyous celebration.
That was nice, right?
For when all things exist in balance, it is then we are all connected in the great circle. Circle of life.
From the day we all
Closing out strong, guys.
step into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen.
Yes, Animal Kingdom.
More than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here. More to find than can ever be found. But the sun rolling past, the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round.
The circle of life. You're welcome. Thank you, Sandra. Thanks for watching. Right? I love it. Woo! Yes. Right.
And now, everybody, it's time to kick off our celebration finale. Sounds great, Simba. Who lets have
Finale.
a party?
Come on, everybody, clap and sing along.
Yes, I love this song.
Hey, there's one of the lions singing tonight. What kind of sing-along do you call that? Darling, I don't know what your work home.
Aw, thank you, Ava.
Right on, yes.
It's not over. I know, right? It's not over, Chef.
Oh, okay, I think we're being challenged.
Thank you for thumbs up the live.
And warthogs, you get your giraffes and elephants.
And thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing. Road to 100K. Let's go.
I'm done.
You better sing no new friends.
All of our lions and warthogs sing the melody.
I heard the way professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me.
Yes, it's going on right now.
Friends, I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all that talking, can we start already?
Finishing strong, guys.
All right, Timon. Let's take it from the top.
Oh my god, I am dead. In the jungle, the jungle.
I think it's pretty clear. I think the giraffes and elephants won!
Hold on there a minute. It's pretty clear, all right? Pretty clear. The lions and the warthogs won.
You know what I think?
Yes.
I can finish this song. My darling, don't feel my darling, the lions need to
You guys are a mood. Right? Welcome, Lele. good show. Taking it home now, guys. Tami, bring matata. This is it.
For the rest of your days. It's a
Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Of course, Scott. Thank you guys for watching. Swoo! I love it. They love it. I think I'm so right.
Of the century, be prepared for the melodies ten. Smiling, tenacity standing, and deep undeniable, simply why I'm from this beautiful, respected salute. Here's my teeth and let me show you.
Lion King, yes. You understand? Thank you for thumbsing up the live. Wow. Thank you. Poor guys are sitting there. That's all they get. Oh, you're welcome, Roxy. Oh, thank you guys. Oh, they all did. You're welcome, Vivian.